Namaste students. Welcome to Educator Guru YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how to score more in second year PUC examinations or any theory examination for that matter. But in this video, I have taken the example questions of economics model question paper. So this video basically has tips and tricks, especially for part C and part D questions, because these two sections need detailed explanation. So let us move on. The first tip is use tabular representations wherever possible. I have taken an example of differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. As you can see in the screen, one side there is microeconomics and the other side we have macroeconomics. So you can start listing out the differences. See, basically the reason why I am posting this video is after all the efforts that you have put in for the whole year, you need to express your knowledge in the right way. So the presentation is what actually matters at this point in time when you're writing the examination. So the valuer must know what you have acquired, what knowledge you have with respect to that particular question. So basically you need to impress the valuer with your presentation skills. So this is the first tip that I am going to give you. So wherever possible, the questions with respect to differences or comparisons or any such kind, you can take a call on what topic you can make a table format. The second tip is underline important words or phrases. I would suggest you can have a blue highlighter, or not kind of a sketch pen or something, but something which has the dark ink. Use only black because other color inks are not permitted in the final examination. So using the same blue pen or a darker shade of a pen in blue, you can underline the things. If you can see in this question, explain the example of planned accumulation and decumulation of inventories. I have underlined the important points here. So this catches the eye of the valuer, and he need not have to spend time reading the whole of your answer, and he will get to know exactly what you're trying to say. So here I have underlined, to raise the inventories, it is called planned accumulation. When it is reduction of inventories, it is planned decumulation. Moving on to the next tip, use captions and then explain. So I have taken the example of write a brief note of returns to scale. This is one of the questions in the model question paper. So here, when you are describing all these three, increasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, and decreasing returns to scale, it is very important to use it as a caption and underline so that the valuer will know that you are knowledgeable in this and you are going to explain further on this. The fourth tip is use examples wherever possible. So when you are explaining something and you think that an explanation is needed with the help of an example, it is important for you to write what you think as an example. Sometimes you feel that, it is very stupid to say a small example or a simple example and you're writing a big examination. No, the valuer will understand your understanding or your level of understanding. So here I have taken the example of what is price taking behavior. So I have explained in one paragraph what is price taking behavior, but at the end I have given it as an example. You walk into a clothing store or supermarket and decide what to buy or what not to buy. You are beholden to the price tag attached to a product. So this example summarizes the whole explanation. Tip 5, convert description into diagrams. Again, wherever possible, you can write it in the form of a diagram. You need not have to have exact circles or exact squares or exact rectangles. Don't spend more time on decorating your paper. So basically, it is just the arrow marks and the information which is important in a diagram. So you can have clouds, which is easy to write, or you can have circles, or you can have small rectangles like these, and then explain. So here I have taken the example of the circular flow of income of an economy. So in the form of a diagram, if you can first put it as a diagram here and then start explaining, it will be more impressive. So thanks for your time, and I hope this is useful for you students. So please give us a comment whether this has helped you or such kind of videos will help you to improve more. Thank you. Thanks for watching.